Okay, so let's divide using synthetic division. So I have 3x squared plus 7x minus 20 divided by x plus 5. Whenever we're doing synthetic division, what we do is we take the coefficients. Okay, first of all, we need to check if there's anything missing. Okay, if there's anything missing, I mean my highest exponent is x to the second power. So I should have an x to the first, which I do, and then I have a constant. If there's anything missing, I have to cover with zeros. Right now, there's nothing missing. Here, x plus 5. So I got to bring my coefficients. 3. Here's the 7. And here's the negative 20. So those are my coefficients. Then I do my box for the division. And then they're saying, divide that by x plus 5. The x plus 5, what I want to do is I want to make that equal to 0. And I want to find the value of x. Okay? So, minus 5 on both sides cancels. The x equals negative 5. This is the value that I'm going to divide it by. There we go. Bring down the negative 5. Now the process is just always the first term, I bring it down. Always. Then I'll start multiplying. So my first term, I'll bring it down straight. Then the first will be multiplied times negative 5. Your answer goes inside the box. So negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. And it will be under the next value. When you're going down, there's an addition. So 7 plus negative 15 is going to give me negative 8. Once I have a value on the outside, it's going to be multiplied times my negative 5. In this case, it's going to be in positive 40. It goes inside the box. And then coming down, I add, which is 20. And I'm done with synthetic division. The whole idea is to understand what we just did. So this is just the math part. Okay? Whenever you do synthetic division, I start with x to the second power. So this is the coefficient for x to the second power. The degree will go down once. Meaning, if this belongs to x to the second power, this 3 belongs to x to the second drop 1, x to the first power. Every time you do synthetic division, your degree goes down 1. And then after that, you just keep in order. So x to the first power, then next is your constant, right? And because there's something else, then that something else is your remainder. Okay, how do I write the remainder? 20 divided by x plus 5. Okay, and this will be your answer. Okay, how do you write your answer? Normally, in the beginning, you'll have, I'm rewriting the original problem. This is a 2, by the way. Okay, 3x squared plus 7x minus 20 divided by x plus 5. And then that's where you write your answer. Your answer is 3x minus 8 plus your remainder. The last number will always be your remainder. Okay, if there's a number right there, then you have to write it as 20 over whatever you're dividing by, which is x plus 5. And we're done.